Hello YouTube, this is David here with David Plays X89, and today we're doing the unboxing on the Switch OLED. If you were lucky enough to grab one on the pre-order like I did, we're going to be unboxing one today. And if you're new to the channel, we're a new gaming channel on YouTube and we're a growing community, so please tell your friends about our channel, repost us, and please subscribe and like the videos, and let's get into the unboxing. Okay everyone, without further ado, we have the Switch OLED here. We're going to get straight into unboxing it, day 1, October 8th. So let's see how we unbox this thing without destroying the box. Okay, there's a flap here, but we have the trusty Master Sword to unbox it, but we're actually kidding and not going to use that. Okay, so we have OLED here. We're going to put that aside. We have the Joy-Cons here. Awesome. And we just have Nintendo documents in here. Going to toss that. Okay, so we have an HDMI. Nothing spectacular there. We have a power brick. Let's see, we have this guy here for the Joy-Cons. I'm gonna put them aside. And the last piece is the dock. So we're not gonna get into specs today until we maybe do a review or a comparison. But we're going to show you the dock. I think I just broke the dock. So here is the dock. I didn't break it. Nope, it comes apart like that. So let's look at the new connectivity port. So this piece just comes off. You have Ethernet, you have USB-C, and you have HDMI. So let's snap the dock back in place. Hope I'm doing it right. So here's the dock. Let's move the box. Oh, and one more thing, the Joy-Con grip thingies, whatever they're called. Not interesting anyways. So let's pull out the OLED. And this is the white model, of course. I believe the size is 64 gigs. And this is awesome. This feels great. Let's see, you get the kickstand to work. There's the kickstand, micro SD card in there, and it should sit just like this. So let's see if it powers on. Nintendo. One's the Joy-Cons. Let's get the Joy-Cons in there. And you could tell that this screen is a lot better than the other screen. And for comparisons, we have the original Switch model here. This is another day 1 Switch model. And then we have the new Switch here. So you can tell it's a bit bigger. I guess this wants to be docked to be updated. But let's see if it actually fits in the old Switch cases. And this dock is so thin, I did not even realize that it's docked. Oh, it's not docked. Never mind. I thought it was docked. So this actually fits in this Switch grip. Really comfortable. Awesome. And if you have access to ports, I think there's a problem with the volume ports here. I'm not sure. Yeah, the ports are not lining up in here. So that's a problem with this case. And got something going on in here. So we have the stylus case. Oh, no, the Satisfy case does not fit in the Satisfy case. So I'm going to set this up. Thank you guys for watching the unboxing. We'll probably be doing another video about specs, but here it is. This is the OLED. We'll try to cover some of the hardware in the next video. Just making sure you get all of it. So thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned for some more content.